Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today in our 13th video of this series, we finally reached the South Carolina state line. As we cross the state line, we enter Oconee County, and the first exit accesses the South Carolina Welcome Center, as well as State Highway 11 with the controlled city of Walhalla, which is about 35 miles to the north. As soon as we cross the state line, we see a change in the terrain and scenery with rolling hills and more vegetation and trees on the roadside. The speed limit drops to 65 miles per hour. Exit 2 and later Exit 4 lead to the census-designated place of Fair Play, which is just to the left-hand side of the interstate. According to tradition, the name stems from an incident in which a bystander implored two brawling pioneers to play fair. Just past Exit 4 we enter Anderson County, which has a population of 196,569 as of 2016. It's the home of Anderson University, a private, selective, comprehensive university of approximately 3,000 undergraduate and graduate students. At exit 14, we see our first mention of Clemson, the town in which Clemson University resides. Exit 19A leads to the county seat of Anderson, a city of 27,544. The area was settled in 1826 and incorporated in 1828 as Anderson Courthouse. The name Anderson is in honor of Robert Anderson, who fought in the American Revolutionary War and also explored the region in the mid-18th century. Anderson became one of the first cities in southeastern United States to have electricity. Electricity to Anderson was established by William C. Whitner in 1895 at a hydroelectric plant on the Rocky River, giving the city the name the Electric City. Anderson also became the first city in the world to supply cotton gin by electricity. In 1911, Anderson College was established by the Anderson Chamber of Commerce. Anderson College was a successor to the Johnson Female Seminary and is affiliated with the South Carolina Baptist Convention. Anderson College became a co-ed two-year junior college in 1930, and in 2006 it became Anderson University. Exit 27 connects with State Highway 81, which leads back to the city of Anderson, and we'll end our video here. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified when new videos come out, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.